Today we are going to be troubleshooting our MT4 and MT5 trading platform. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and ability to overcome these problems on your own. We will delve into commonly encountered errors and provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide to resolve these issues, ensuring you can resume trading with confidence. Among the most commonly experienced problems are frozen shots and the inability to trade. We will address the underlying causes and provide effective solutions to overcome these obstacles. Cause 1. Weak connection/disconnection from the internet before trading. Ensure that you have a reliable connection to the internet. Our trading platform, whether it is through MT4/5 platform or WebTrader, requires stable internet connection to function properly. Without an internet connection, you will not receive price quotes, resulting in an unmoving chart and the inability to trade. Stable connection to the trading server is observable on the bottom right corner of the MT4 platform. Cause 2. Closed markets. Whilst FX markets are known for their 24-hour open markets, this is not the case for all of our CFD products. Index products such as HK50 only allow trading within the specified market hours. You can check the trading hours of our products by right-clicking on the symbol and selecting specification. Here you can see that HK50 market is currently open, and thus trading is allowed. However, for the ITA40, the market is not yet open and is not tradable. Public holidays such as New Year's and Christmas can impact market trading hours. So keep an eye out for our emails where we provide you with timely updates regarding these events. Incorrect password. Traders entering the wrong password when logging in is a simple yet common reason for both the inability to trade and frozen shots. Firstly, confirm the connection to the trading server, most likely disconnected. Click on the connection status and select Login. Input the correct password to the trading account and successfully log in. Give the MT4 platform time to update, and once a connection is established, you will be able to trade with proper functioning of the chart. Despite having a successful connection to the trading server and confirming that the charts are working properly, if you encounter difficulty in executing trades, consider the following possibilities. Cause 4. Investor password. Your login may have been successful, however it may have been through the use of the investor password rather than master password. The investor password only grants access to view only. No direct changes to the account's trading activity can be made. Make sure to log in with the master password to enable trading. You can easily set your master password through our portal. Cause 5. Standard symbols on SuperZero account. It is important to properly distinguish the difference between account types and the respective symbol names. The products under a SuperZero account contains a .R tag at the end. For example, EURUSD.R, GBPUSD.R, etc., and thus any FX and metal symbols that do not contain the tag are not tradable on a SuperZero account. You can search for the SuperZero products by right-clicking on Market Watch and selecting Symbols. You will find the SuperZero symbols in the file ForexR and MetalsR. Cause 6. Insufficient balance. The final, most common cause would be the insufficient balance error. Insufficient balance is quite self-explanatory. It is lack of funds to support the margin requirements of the trade. If the leverage of the account is low, the required margin becomes greater, and thus this error could occur for even small position sizes. With a leverage of 1, it is not possible to open the minimum position for EURUSD. You can change the leverage of the account on our portal with ease. Changing the leverage to 500 to 1 allows you to open the minimum position. However, it is important to note that the primary reason for this error is the lack of enough available funds in the trading account. And as such, if the account balance is lower than the required margin for the desired position size, the trade will not execute,